President rule sigi manungda adumna chapchaba constitution piba sakti power adu sijina bire hairaga Manipur dagi mapung phana illegal immigrant takthokna na ba chawa thawdang lobiramu hayeng Manipur gi tungi mirol kayana adungi mingbu sakna sona dana Manipur gi puwari da sanagi mayakna idana lehogani aduna aikoina hojik numit taranga manga taruk ni sura aba nahan tang kulumdoi July kulumdoi da thokiba instruction madugi memorandum adugi matungina aino hoji hangjaningi bo question khara asi ngasi numit tara taruni sura basida how many illegal immigrants could have been detected till now ngasi bawdan mit tara taruni sura basida kayam yam illegal immigrant khandok ngamabno how many of them could have been deported from Manipur to their respective places. Aduga kayam yamba illegal immigrants singuna Manipur dagi magi maramda halan kibanga maguna. Or how many illegal immigrants could have been detained at particular designated center or detention center who have been already inhabited amongst our locality. Aikogi locality singi markta hanana khunda silamaba. Hujiki instruction adu de yauri sikarino hababu illegal immigrant lairamgani haina chingnaba mafam singda changaga operate tawbu yai. Makoi sing adu detection tawbu khandokku yabanina. Hujik hana already aikogi locality singi markta khunda silaga yum sajillaga lairamaba illegal immigrant kayam yama lokthokwa khandokwa ngamabage amasung makoi sing adu kayam yamna detention center singda thambang ngamabage amasung kayam yamna magi maramda hojik president rule lairingai manung sida asigi sigumba thabak tawwa asigumaina not only land encroacher singi mathakta eviction tawbiba khakki mahutta ngasi Manipur da 1962 adai dagi haitare aikogi thangnariba country Myanmar or Bangladesh hariba singsidagi changsilakwa ain kaina changsilakwa illegal immigrants singsina aikogi Manipur da encroach tawrutana Manipur gi ethnic ki violence to ondana Manipur gi aikogi socio politics da amasung socio economy da achauba chaitheng ma pirai hojing mapung oina 2026 ki April ki tang 1 dagi aikogi Manipur da census tawni haibagi all India gi oina census tawni haibagi siguma notice amasu ko angre adagi amana 2026 27 sidai sida delimitation tawni boundary haibadi akoigi assembly constituency singi amasung parliamentary constituency singi akoigi delimitation tawni haibagi notice order instruction singsu lairabani maram asina akoigi icham chamna land encroacher singi mathakta eviction tawbagi mathakta madugi su mathakta illegal immigrants singna changsil aga aikogi lamsida lammunana bohona rakwa lambi macha masu matek maka fut kharagi natabada mapung oiba lammunana bohona raiba separate administration tansilaktana hona raiba asigumba achauba thaka encroach tawraiba singse sigumba illegal immigrants sing asigi mathakta akanba eviction ama tawham thoi aduga hojik nongju mifam parliament ki monsoon session asi lorakadore loraktringai gi manung sidai sida aikogi lamdam sidigi miyam mi hut oibi gi ba honorable inner gi amasung outer gi loina Rajya Sabha gi aikogi honorable MP singa Manipur da illegal immigrants sing asi mapung phana takthokna nanabagi damakta parliament marik chumba wapam pukatpiu ai hananasu haijegre ai social worker moina lamdam siba nungsijaba misak ama oina ngasi Manipur sahi ani hena changsil aiba ngahojik phawda loisinba ngamdribe Iran ethnic violence communal violence haigadra masigi pot asisu mapung oiba root cause di illegal immigrants in changsil akosingsina thoolakwa achauba maram amani maram asina honorable MP singa from the both inner outer and the Rajya Sabha haribo honorable MP singsina parliament marik chumba ukhatpiu adugo loinana honorable Honorable Governor ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ A.K. ꯚꯥꯂꯥꯖꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯔꯨꯜ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯉꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯅ ꯒꯕꯔꯅꯔꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯗ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯕꯤꯗꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯅ ꯏꯜꯂꯤꯒꯦꯜ ꯏꯃꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯛꯊꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯅ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯅꯤꯌꯔ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯒꯕꯔꯅꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯛꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯅꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯑꯕ ꯏꯜꯂꯤꯒꯦꯜ ꯏꯃꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯔꯨꯜ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯅ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯅ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯤ ꯄꯋꯥꯔ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯅ ꯏꯜꯂꯤꯒꯦꯜ ꯏꯃꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯇꯛꯊꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯨ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯜ ꯀꯌꯥꯅ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯁꯛꯅ ꯁꯣꯟꯅꯗꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤꯗ ꯁꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯦꯛꯅ ꯏꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 15 ꯁꯨꯔꯛꯑꯕ ꯅꯍꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯡ 12 ꯖꯨꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤ 12ꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯏꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯛꯁꯟ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯦꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯪꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 16 ꯁꯨꯔꯛꯑꯕꯁꯤꯗ how many illegal immigrants could have been detected till now ngasi bawda numit 16 surabasida kayam yamba illegal immigrant khandok ngamabano how many of them could have been deported from Manipur to their respective places aduga kayam yamba illegal immigrants singbuna Manipur dagi magi maramda halan khiba ngamabano or how many illegal immigrants could have been detained at particular designated center or detention center who have been already inhabited amongst our locality. Aikogi locality singi marta hanana khunda silamaba. Hujiki instruction adu de yaurisi karino hababu illegal immigrant lairamgani haina chingnaba mafam singda changaga operate tawbu yai. Makoi sing adu detection tawbu khandokpu yabanina. Hojik hana already aikogi locality singi marakta khunda silaga yum sajillaga lairamaba illegal immigrant kayam yama lokthokwa khandokwa ngamabage amasung makoi sing adu kayam yama detention center singda thamba ngamabage amasung kayam yamna magi maramda halan gi banga mabage habise masi gi question se ai hangjari